Nike Air Max 95 colorway is released every day. Nike is releasing a ton of new formulations for the model's 30th anniversary, if you can avoid all the partnerships and retro releases that are happening. The gradient sides on the sneaker are true, but they don't match the style of the neon, bright Mandarin, and blue Spark Air Max 95, among other original styled styles. Most of the upper is covered with a black and anthracite pairing, which means there is no white tongue or lining. Additionally, instead of all-suede, the bottom has pebbled leather and the top overlay has nubuck. With the exception of the eyelets, the accent color appears everywhere it usually does. In addition to the larger, seamed air unit beneath the foot, bright crimson also features the tongue logo, swoosh, and heel branding. The adult and GS sizes of the Nike Air Max 95 bright crimson are anticipated to be on sale in the autumn of 2025. At retail, the model costs $190.